How to fix something went wrong, please try again on YouTube on an iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and make sure the Wi-Fi connection is connected properly. That is, there is internet connection that is usable on your phone. To check, tap and hold on to the Wi-Fi button and you will be seeing the username of the Wi-Fi. After that, open settings. Then you need to turn on airplane mode for about 2 to 5 seconds, turn it off, and then open Wi-Fi and try forgetting this network and reconnecting to it so that it works. Now go back and tap on cellular. Tap on cellular data options and then tap on voice and data. Tap on 4G. Make sure it is on 4G. After that, what you need to do is open App Store and then go to the search bar and search for YouTube. And you have to know that it is updated to the fullest version. If not, you want to tap on the blue button which says update. And I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.